So in this video I am going to show you that how to change the theme in VS Code. So just you want to change the theme, just click on here the view section, and after this select the command palette. After selecting command palette you have to type the color, and here you would see the preferences color theme. Just click here and here you can select the any theme you want. For example, I want to select this and just I would click and you can see my theme got changed. And if I want to make other changes, just click on the command palette view and here you can select the color theme. After selecting this you can choose any other theme you want to like. For example, I also want this, so I selected this. That's how you can change the themes from the VS Code. Just select on the color theme and here you can choose any theme of your choice. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.